Hello neighbors, hello Vanlife, hello YouTube! Today I will give you a short video tungkol po sa ating van tour dito po sa Palawan. By the way, my name is Jeff Serrano of Vanlife Adventure, and we would like to thank you for all the subscribers, 7,000 subscribers, and I'm happy that our number is keep on increasing. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell down below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And by the way, this car is made from Korea, and the name is Hyundai H100. It's a 2x4 with manual transmission, no turbo, but still fuel saver. So as we can see in the front of our van, we have our DIY stainless bike rack together with our bicycle. The stainless steel I bought from the junk shop nearby. I like this design because it is very easy to take out the bike from the rack, and nothing that touches the bike to the steel except the tires. Here we have DIY awning attached to the carrier. Here in the top we have the two 200 watts monocrystalline solar panel beside the spare tire. So inside, here's the inside part. This part I can extend like this for my extra space for putting some things, especially when I'm cooking. And here is the shower. So this is the switch. The source of this water is coming from the water tank below, containing 180 liters of fresh water. And for more information regarding hot shower and taking shower outside the van and the water system as a whole, I made already the video. Check it out in the description. So on this side we have my soap and shampoos, my shoes, my sandals, and some fruits above. And this one also my some personal thing like toiletries and many things. Now let's go inside a small van and let's have a look. This is our small kitchen area. It has a small sink and faucet. And beside it, a single gas stove burner, and also our two exhaust fan. And above is our food and medicine cabinet, and in the middle part is our silverware, spoons and plates and etc. And of course our cookwares, small cookwares made of stainless. Below is our 7 kilogram LPG tank and storage. This is the portable toilet for emergency use only or during camping in the wilderness. To use this, I have to take out from its hiding place like this. And of course, our 12 volts electric fan, 20 watts fan, very useful in campervan. This is our extra box for our food storage. And this is our 40 ampere MPPT power charge controller, controlling our power from the sun. It charges our 100 Ah deep cycle gel battery. This is a very useful and reliable globe at home prepaid Wi-Fi modem which connected to our 16 feet external antenna. And of course, these are books that we use to read in daily basis. And this is our electric mosquito killer, very important when you are living in a van. Most of our appliances here in this tiny home is run by 12 volts power system, except of course with this 220 volts printer. We are using a 500 watts pure sine wave power inverter when I need to print. This is a 12 volts freezer with a capacity of 20 liters of liquid, 40 watts power consumption. This thing can really make ice very fast. What I like with this product is that I can operate through its Android mobile application via Bluetooth.
So yan. So yan po yung Asha. You said hi to them. You said hi to them. There, at the camera. Hi! So yan, Kasha po yung bata. So he's 2 years old. So Kasha po si Gab. Baby boy, alis na dyan. Go out na!
So this is my working clothes and my guitar. My only guitar here in the band. And this is a 5 volts fan with a magnet. Dito ko po tinatago ang ilang mga damit ko na pantulog, pang mga aklat. Under the bins is my drinking water, pressure cooker, and my toolbox, together with my fire extinguisher. This van has been our tiny home for more than 3 years now. Aside from that, this serves as our mobile office as well. But we never think that we own this car. We count ourselves only as stewards of God's possession. The Lord owns everything, as it is written in the Bible. Since we are just stewards or manager, we designed this van not only for our own good, but also for transporting people and cargos. This bed can be folded into a sofa or bench to have more room. As of now, with proper arrangement, this van can carry up to 16 adults or 1,000 kilograms of cargo. So basically, this van is a multi-purpose van.
And that's the end of our banter video, and if you like this content, please give me a like. And if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit that red button and also that notification bell beside it. And I would like to say thank you for everyone who watched this video until this moment. If you have any question, suggestion, please consider writing your comment, and I'm happy to read all your comments. And until next time, paalam! Bye-bye!
Ulit.